I'm Belle. Today I'm gonna go make some slime, and I'm gonna show you my room. Okay, and I'm gonna do 3 episodes. Okay, and first thing we're gonna make slime. Slime. My name is Belle. On June 3rd, I'm going for my appointment because I need glasses. This is my fin ball. Let's party. And I got a book. Oh, this is my name. This is my name. Belle Castell. It's for painting and gelling. Today we're gonna make some slime. I don't know if we're gonna make some slime or anything. Okay, wait. First thing you'll need is a spoon. And a cup. Any kind of cup. A cup, a plastic cup, a ceramic cup, anything. Okay, first thing you need is this bath soap. It's really smelly, but it's bath soap. You need salt and bath soap, and that's it. And a spoon and a cup. Okay, wait. First thing you're gonna lose is bath soap. Just wait. Okay. First thing you need is a spoon, a cup, and some bath soap. And then the first thing you need is bath soap. Spoon. Close the door. Oh, there's my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, come on. Okay. I'm showing her how to make slime. Definitely, this is gonna work.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah. Top.
There. Okay. Give me that pencil crayon. Right there.
That?
And then you just need a pencil crayon to color it.
Color? Yeah.
Open it.
What?
No, close it. a towel, Niska. I got a lot of games. Oh my gosh. Lots of games. Close the door, Niska. I have to keep it in the freezer for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Like a 1 minute or 2 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Oh. Thank you. Go get some soap.
What?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey,
Get
Mom.
some salt in here. Get some salt in here. Here.
It's inside. Look.
Wow. Thank you for watching this making slime. How to make slime. Give me a thumbs up. Or give me a boom thumbs up. Subscribe and email and anything. Bye. 100K. Next menu. Bye.